Yesterday, March 7, Department of Migrant Workers Officer Hans Leo Cacdac provided an update on the 10 Filipino crew members who survived the missile attack launched by the Houthi rebels on a shipping vessel in the Gulf of Aden. He confirmed that they are all in good condition, offering a sigh of relief amidst the turmoil. Additionally, Cacdac informed that the 3 other Filipino crew members who sustained injuries during the incident are also in stable condition. They are currently receiving continuous treatment at Djibouti Hospital, ensuring that they receive the necessary care for their recovery. The Department of Migrant Workers stands ready to conduct an emergency repatriation of the crew members, allowing them to return to the country immediately should they wish to do so.
They are all in stable condition. They are recovering and are in stable condition, and they can be repatriated soon as long as there is a medically fit to fly certificate forthcoming from the medical authorities in Djibouti. And most likely this will be a medical repatriation process that they will all go through.
However, the search for the remains of the 2 Filipino crew members who tragically lost their lives in the attack is expected to be challenging.
Magiging hamon din yung pag-recover ng labi. Kaya't pagdarasal pa rin natin na maisagawa ito ng maayos. Dahil as of 4 p.m. kahapon, may sunog pa sa barko na tinutupok. So, may challenge talaga yung pag-salvage at yung paghanap ng labi doon sa barko.
Cacdac reported that salvage operations are scheduled for today, aiming to retrieve the bodies of the deceased crew members along with that of a Vietnamese national.
Inaasahan natin na within today magkakaroon ng significant na pag-uulat ang shipping company, ang ship owner patungkol dito.
The missile strike targeted the fuel section of the ship, leading to an immediate fire outbreak in the vicinity where the casualties were located, as clarified by Cacdac.
Nung nakapanayam ko yung mga tripulante kagabi, ang sabi ay nando doon sa area ng cabin area at ng mess hall yung tinamaan at nando doon yung dalawa. And engulfed in flames, yan ang exact word sa report. The place where they were sa barko was engulfed in flames at mahirap puntahan nung panahon na may emergency evacuation.
Amidst these developments, the Department of Migrant Workers assured that the government stands ready to provide assistance to the families of the Filipino crew members, especially those who lost loved ones.
Rest assured, we have communicated with the families of the 2 seafarers and meron ng assurances, fullest support and assistance, hand-holding throughout this difficult process that they are going through. And these are all based also on the directive of the President, who has given us a very, very clear signal and directive.
The wife of one of the injured crew members expressed gratitude for the ongoing updates on her husband's condition, easing her anxiety during this trying time.
At ngayon, kasalukuyan ng ginagamot sa Djibouti Hospital yung aking asawa at nasa mabuting kalagayan na rin. At yung sabi, out of danger na rin po yung kanyang kondisyon. So maraming salamat sa agarang pagresponde.
The agency remains vigilant, closely monitoring the situation and developments in Djibouti, while also awaiting the results of the ongoing investigations by maritime security forces and the International Maritime Organization regarding the incident. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.